Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remote start Jaguar F Pace Easy Guide. Begin by confirming your vehicle is locked and in park, then press and hold the lock button followed by the remote start button on your fob. If using the Jaguar app, open the app, authenticate, and select Remote Start. Stand clear of the exhaust and confirm climate settings through the app or in car display before driving off. In this video, I will show how to remote start Jaguar F Pace Easy Guide. First, lock the doors and make sure the gear is in park, then press and hold the remote start button on the key fob for 3 seconds until lights flash. If you prefer the app, sign in, select Remote Start, and wait for the confirmation tone. Verify the engine is running and climate controls are set to your comfort before heading out. In this video, I will show how to remote start Jaguar F Pace Easy Guide. When remote start fails, first check the vehicle display for error messages and ensure doors are fully closed. Replace a weak key fob battery and test again, and if using the app, move closer to the car or confirm cellular connectivity. For persistent faults, consult a dealer or your manual to diagnose immobilizer or module issues before attempting repeated starts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.